Hey there, wellness wonders. Today we're diving into a way of eating that's taking the world by storm, the Flexitarian diet. But don't let the fancy name fool you. At its heart, it's all about finding balance between plant-based foods and moderate amounts of meat. It's perfect for those who want to eat healthier but aren't ready to go fully vegetarian. Think of flexitarianism as a flexible vegetarian diet. It's a way of eating that emphasizes plant-based foods while still allowing for the occasional inclusion of meat and other animal products. Unlike strict vegetarians or vegans, flexitarians don't completely eliminate meat, they simply reduce their intake. This approach offers a lot of flexibility and can be easier to maintain for those who aren't ready to give up meat entirely. They just eat it less often, focusing more on incorporating a variety of plant-based foods into their meals. This can include fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. Now y'all know I love a good steak, but I've also learned to appreciate the beauty of a plant-forward plate. It's not about giving up what you love, but rather finding a balance that works for you. I've discovered that a colorful vegetable dish can be just as satisfying and delicious as a meat-heavy meal. It's all about how you prepare and season your food. It's about making plant foods the star of your plate while treating meat more like a supporting actor. This way, you get the best of both worlds: the health benefits of a plant-based diet and the enjoyment of meat in moderation. Imagine this: a big old salad bursting with colorful veggies, crunchy nuts, and a light vinaigrette. That's your showstopper. The vibrant colors and fresh flavors take center stage, making your meal both visually appealing and nutritious. Now, you might have a sprinkle of grilled chicken or a few strips of salmon on top, but they're not stealing the spotlight. They're just there to complement the main attraction. They're just there to add a little something, you know what I mean? This way you can enjoy the flavors and textures of meat, without it being the main focus of your meal. This approach not only supports better health but also promotes sustainability by reducing meat consumption. So why not give flexitarianism a try and see how it fits into your lifestyle? Research has shown that flexitarians tend to weigh less, have lower rates of heart disease, and live longer than heavy meat eaters. But that's not all. The flexitarian diet can lower your carbon footprint, reduce your grocery bill, improve digestion, support sustainable farming, provide more dietary fiber, and increase nutrient diversity. Let's break down how to transition to a flexitarian diet without feeling overwhelmed. Start by building your meals around these 4 components. Vegetables and fruits, fill half your plate. Whole grains, about 1/4. Plant proteins like beans or nuts, most days, and small portions of meat or fish, a few times a week. Now, let's address some common concerns I hear about the flexitarian diet. The most common question we get is about protein. Rest assured, you can get plenty of protein from plant sources like legumes, nuts and seeds, whole grains, eggs and dairy, and your occasional serving of meat. Flex your way to a healthier you. Remember, the flexitarian diet isn't about strict rules. It's about making sustainable changes that work for you. It's a lifestyle choice that encourages you to eat more plant-based foods while still allowing the flexibility to enjoy your favorite meats and treats. This way, you can gradually shift towards healthier eating habits without feeling deprived or restricted. Start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy discovering new foods and flavors along the way. Experiment with different recipes and don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. The journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint, so take your time and savor each step. Whether you're doing it for your health, the environment, or just to try something new, the flexitarian approach offers a flexible and practical way to eat better while still enjoying all types of food in moderation. It's about balance and making mindful choices that benefit both you and the planet. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, every small change you make can lead to a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy.